Hi guys.
Hello.
Not the normal place you see us.
No.
We are a lot in cars, absolutely, because we drive a lot. But normally it's not snow.
No, and it's freezing.
It's freezing. It's really, I don't know how cold it is, but it is cold. I would say, it's -5 right now. It was -7 before.
So nice.
Sarah, where are we?
We are on a mission.
Yes, we are.
We are going to pick up something that's
Yes.
like, what are you gonna say? It's like a weird thing to have.
Yeah. It could be a collectible. Anyways, guys, you know that we love roller coasters. We love amusement parks. The other day, a friend of mine found something online, and I bought it. So we are on our way down to a small town in Sweden. Driving from my home in Lidköping, we're going to pick up a gondola from a Schwarzkopf Enterprise ride. This is completely crazy. And the idea is to refurbish this gondola and build it into a bar. And I hope that we can update this project with you in the future. But right now we don't know. We are going to pick up this gondola in a workshop.
Yes. So you are going to see what's going to happen today.
Yeah.
So that's why we're going to do a vlog.
Exactly. So we are gonna give you a short little vlog.
Yeah.
So basically, you're gonna see us here. Sarah might film a little bit when we drive because it's completely crazy. It's so slippery. The day we decided, yesterday was fine. Sarah said, I got ready for spring.
I was.
There's no spring.
No spring.
Anyways, so we're gonna pick this gondola up. We're gonna put it in the trailer that we have in the back. We're gonna strap it up. Of course, we're going to show you with videos. And then somehow, we don't know how heavy it is, we're going to remove it from the car or from the trolley or the trailer when we get home to my house. I have no idea how, but
it's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun, and we prepared some neighbors to help.
Yes.
So yeah, maybe.
So I can film it.
Yeah.
That's because I can't help. I don't know.
You're going to help.
Yes,
Sorry.
but I have to.
I think Jona maybe will have to film that. Anyways, the thing is, not only is it a Schwarzkopf Enterprise, from a Schwarzkopf Enterprise ride, it might be the only portable one they ever built, Schwarzkopf. So that could be really, really cool. We don't know yet, but we are trying to find out, because I do know who owned it before. And I will show you, I will add some pictures on how these rides looked back in the days when it was new, if you don't already know. Okay, so let's see you guys in a bit.
Yeah. That's where my phone.
So this is the snowy roads to take us to Hillerstorp in Sweden, where we are going to pick up my carousel, as we call it. And it's not crazy snowy, but it's a bit of snow, and it's a slippery slope, mostly because a lot of people cannot really drive. But anyways, we are arriving in 30 minutes and get to see this. We have to see pictures of it, but I don't really know the scale of it. It's pretty cool. Apparently you could sit one adult and one child in one of these gondolas.
So excited.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
So fun. Here it is. This is so crazy. So,
Oh my freaking god. It's freaking huge.
it's huge. Who buys this?
Sorry?
Who buys this?
I have no idea.
So crazy.
Coaster stop down.
Coaster stop. Oh my god, it's so crazy.
Oh, it's crazy.
Wow.
It is such a cool thing to own. Right?
Oh wow.
Have to strap this thing up.
Yes.
I'm gonna tell you some more about this thing. Hi guys! So look what's behind us. We are chased by a Schwarzkopf Enterprise gondola. So we talked to the furious? No, he wasn't furious. The previous owner. He told us that they actually saved it on the scrapyard. Everything else from the ride have already been crushed, but they managed to save this one. So this is the last. It's a little bit bumpy. So this is the last part of this ride. It was owned by Axel's Tivoli, the fun fair traveling around Sweden. So they own this ride. Sometimes we think in the 80s. That's the information he gave us. But what I also have is that I have the phone number to the owner of Axel's Tivoli. So we might be able to find where this ride comes from. We do think that it's actually from Germany. Yeah, we know it's built in Germany, but we think it's a German fun fair owner or Kirmes.
And I think by the time this vlog is going out, you have that information, right?
I hope that I can actually have the information quite soon, but I'm not sure yet. But the thing is, the idea. So here's the idea. We're gonna refurbish this one. Like, we're gonna sand it down, make it back. We're gonna make sure the lights are working. It's going to be a bar, and we were thinking that bringing you along the process.
Yes.
When we do this, we're gonna give you all the information of this crazy Enterprise ride, and of course we're gonna have some movies of how it looks when this ride operates. Actually, Toverland has one of these. I think it's called the Enterprise. I'm not sure, but we have to look into that. But it would be so much fun to do this. It's crazy.
And we started laughing because this is so crazy.
Yeah.
But we have like deer.
Take it up a little bit so you can see the lights on it now, like things from up and down.
So this just happened. It's arrived.
It's home.
It's home.
And I already got hurt by it.
Yes.
I am pretty fine though. That's what I'm afraid of. It's quite heavy. I got the roof on my hand. Anyways, the point is to now cover this thing up until it's time to start taking care of it.
And give us some credit to, like, we got it off this one. We don't need to mention that the two neighbors helped, but we did it.
And it's freaking heavy.
It's so heavy. And it's beautiful.
It's amazing. Thank you for watching part 1 of the Schwarzkopf Enterprise renovation project.